After deciding to start a YouTube automation channel, you have three options for how to proceed, depending on factors such as your available free time, finances, and knowledge. These options are going solo, full automation, or a combination of both. Let's delve further into each of these options. Going solo means you will begin your channel by handling everything yourself, including video editing, script writing, and voiceover. This is the most cost-effective choice for beginners since you won't have to pay for anything. If you lack the funds to hire freelancers right from the start, this is a great option for you. On the bright side, with this system, the costs are insignificant, if any. You have total control over your creative process, allowing you to achieve the final product you envision without many corrections. However, there are some drawbacks to going solo when starting your YouTube channel. You'll need some knowledge of video editing, and it would be beneficial to have experience in storytelling for script writing. When it comes to voiceovers, you should aim to match the tone of your video and make it conversational. Another challenge of going solo is scalability. Video editing consumes a lot of time, making it difficult to maintain if you plan to upload 3 or 4 videos per week. Although with each completed video, you will gain experience and edit more efficiently over time, our goal is not to work relentlessly. We want to have more free time to spend with our loved ones. Nevertheless, starting your channel solo is definitely a viable option, and you will learn a lot throughout the process. Full automation, on the other hand, is where we ultimately want to land. Full automation offers the most scalability for managing a YouTube channel, and therefore, it can bring in more money. Full automation involves assembling a team of freelancers to handle everything related to video production, including editing, scripting, and voiceover. The advantages of managing a YouTube channel through full automation are, as mentioned before, scalability. You will have ample time on your hands when you don't have to take care of everything yourself. This means you won't have to jeopardize your 9-to-5 job or sacrifice time with your loved ones. Having professionals handle every aspect of your videos can give you peace of mind, as they are more experienced in script writing, editing, and voiceovers. Consequently, the quality of the produced videos should be higher than if you were doing everything yourself. However, there are a few downsides to full automation. Obviously, you need a certain amount of capital to start hiring freelancers. It may not be as much as with other side hustles, though, and you can invest according to your current job or other sources of income. You'll also need to learn how to manage a team of workers effectively, but this is something you can easily learn. There are many software tools designed to help you manage your team and ensure a smooth workflow. We will explore this in more detail later in the course, so don't stress too much about it. Although the goal of full automation is to provide as much freedom as possible, as you can see, you still need to invest some time in your channel. Treating your channel as a business requires a certain level of presence for it to be successful. You can't just press a button and start making money. Life doesn't work that way, and by this point, I hope you are aware of that. Lastly, there's the mixed system, which is a combination of hiring freelancers and doing some parts of the work yourself. Many people who opt for this system possess knowledge in one or more areas of video production, such as video editing, script writing, or voiceovers. Additionally, you can take advantage of the current era and utilize AI to assist you in producing your videos. The benefits of the mixed system include lower production costs compared to full automation, because you save the money that would have been spent on hiring freelancers for specific tasks. You can also almost guarantee that the quality of your production will be higher than if you were doing all the work yourself, since you will be hiring professionals for the tasks you're not fully skilled in. If you decide to use AI, you can streamline your workflow to a certain degree. However, it's important to understand that this technology is new and can't do everything on its own. Most of the time, AI will only assist you to a certain point rather than completing the entire work. The downsides are that you will still need to spend money on either freelancers or AI, and you will spend more time working on your channel compared to full automation. Any of these systems are valid for starting your channel, and you can choose the one that suits you best. You can also start with one system and eventually transition to another. This is what most people do. They start their first channel solo and eventually migrate to full automation, which, as mentioned before, is the goal because it has the potential to generate more income.